I didn't quite realize what all the fuss was about with Cabo until I went to the Montage Los Cabos. This resort is designed with a minimalist elegance to allow the natural beauty to shine through. A swimmable beach, 3 incredible pools, and a jaw-dropping spa means it's just as fun for the kids as it is for the adults. The moment you walk through the doors, you leave the rest of the world behind you. This oasis of tranquility, relaxation, and sunshine was just what we needed as overextended parents of a newly walking toddler. With 3 expansive pools to choose from, there are a variety of places to post up for the day. The private cabanas, each with their own plunge pool, were very tempting, but we opted for the waterfront pool with those beach views. The sloped entry into the pool made it very accessible for Aurora, and we alternated time in and out of the pool pretty much all day long. There's an adults-only infinity pool that seems to flow directly into the ocean, as well as a hot tub and an elegant swim-up bar. However, we spent the majority of our time in the very cool kids pool. The natural design with the rock elements, waterfalls, and a sand area made our daughter so happy, and thus made us very happy too. And the largest pool is in the very center of the property, and it's where we spent the most time. It was so comfortable and quiet, and also had easy access to the kids area. And for a resort as luxurious as this, I loved how family-friendly it was. A huge advantage for the Montage is that it has one of the only swimmable beaches in the area. The rocky shores of Los Cabos mean that that's quite a luxury. Santamaría Bay is a secluded cove that is accessible primarily to guests and a few others. There are absolutely no party boats, loud music, or beach sellers. This is a serene, sandy paradise with crystal clear, refreshing water. Even our daughter couldn't get enough of frolicking in the gentle waves. We couldn't get enough of it either. But there's much more than just the exterior beauty of the resort. The accommodations are modern and sleek, inside and out. I was shocked to see such a warm, handcrafted welcome for our family when we walked in, which included a set-up crib, sheets, and a hand-embroidered pillow just for us to keep with her name on it. The Montage knows what it means to be a parent and traveling, and they make it that much easier, which to me is pretty much priceless. We had a 1-bedroom king suite with an ocean view, which meant we had a cloud-like bedroom facing the ocean and a giant bathroom with 2 sinks, a freestanding tub, and an indoor-outdoor shower, and it was breathtaking. But it also means that there is a sliding door that separates the suite's living room with our bedroom, which was perfect because when Aurora had to nap or go down for the night, we still had access to our room and the balcony without having to tiptoe around in darkness. And the balcony was easily where we spent all of our time. The secure railings and the shade made this a very kid-friendly space, and it was a lovely spot to enjoy a sunset cocktail as a family. It's also equally lovely in the morning. We enjoyed this space for breakfast when we had it served in our room. The overwhelmingly delicious spread was the sweetest start to our days of great eating here. There were traditional breakfast options and out-of-this-world creations, plus local specialties. We also enjoyed breakfast out at the restaurants, Mezcal with its glittering pool front and Mexican-inspired dishes, as well as Maria, the beachfront restaurant with panoramic ocean views. No matter what time of day, everything tastes that much better when you're staring at the dazzling Sea of Cortez. To be honest, we didn't leave the resort. Nope, not even once. But how could we? There was just so much variety in our day here and so much to see. And it's hard enough with a little one. Here we could easily walk to things or even take a golf cart if we need to. And we had naps to think about, so it was so nice just to let go of trying to see everything and to just enjoy where we were. Aurora fell in love with the Paintbox, the artfully curated children's center. The trained staff here went above and beyond to interact and play with her. She was all smiles the whole time, overwhelmed by all the activities and the toys in this fun space. They offer a full schedule for kids 5 to 12, which we plan to take advantage of when we return. The spa Montage was a playground for the adults. I truly think this is one of the most beautiful spas I've ever seen. This sanctuary is surrounded by water and palms, with many quiet areas and tranquil spots for relaxation. It almost has this spiritual vibe. The adults-only Serenity Pool is where I would have liked to spend a bit more time if I'd had it, and I also have to check out a treatment next time. Or maybe, if I'm feeling motivated, use their impressive gym. They do have a hair and nail salon on site if you want to go that extra mile in your primping. And just when I thought it couldn't get any prettier, the sun started to set and lit up the entire resort in this mesmerizing rosy glow, which was reflected off of the pools. The property was totally transformed into something glittering and magical by night. We used one of the resort's recommended babysitters to have a date night where we could enjoy dinner at Mezcal at a normal adult dinner time. We first stopped in the lobby to enjoy a live performance and a glass of champagne before we headed to our fireside feast. The meal began with the namesake Mezcal margaritas, of course, and we soon learned that what Chef Alexis Palacios does here is divine. Each dish not only delighted us, but surprised us. His creative approach to Mexican cuisine made every bite so memorable and just so different than typical Mexican. Our main dishes, mine the catch of the day and Dave's the suckling pig al pabil, were outstanding. Our epic meal concluded with smoking coffee cocktails that our server insisted upon, and homemade churros and other delicious treats. Though it was only 3 nights, this trip is exactly what we needed as a family. The ease of life at Montage Los Cabos allowed us to fully sink into vacation mode and just enjoy our time with each other. Though Aurora might not remember it, I know that she had the best time of all. I think each of us left rejuvenated, reconnected, and a little bit sun-kissed.